It's time to turn the lights out. It's time to go to sleep. You've brushed your teeth, you're nice and clean. It's time to cozy up and dream with bedtime stories.
Bedtime Stories with Netflix Junior.
The Creature Cases presents The Search for the Sea Otter, starring Sam Snow and Kit Casey. Book, book.
Nothing like a relaxing day at the beach. The sparkling ocean, the rocky shoreline, the rustling beach grass. It's just so peaceful, isn't it?
Yup, so chill.
Kit, are you sure you don't need help inflating that clay draft?
Nope. I can do it.
Really? Because if you press this button, the raft actually auto-inflates.
Thanks, Sam. I must have forgotten about that feature. Now we're ready for some open ocean rafting.
I think you mean you're ready for rafting. I'm not going to risk getting my fur wet.
Come on, you have to get in the water sometime.
Nope. I'm just going to sit back, relax, and... Director Scratch is calling on my I Spy glove.
Hello, agents.
Hey, Director.
Sorry to interrupt your beach day, but there's an urgent new mystery that needs solving immediately. We've just received word that a sea otter near you on the North American coast has gone missing from his raft.
Otters use inflatable rafts too.
No, a raft is what a group of floating sea otters is called. They like to wrap themselves in seaweed and hold hands so they don't drift away while they're sleeping.
Oh, that's adorable.
Indeed. And now it's up to you to find that missing otter.
We're on it, Director.
Good luck, agents.
Okay, Kit. I think the first thing we should do is talk to the other sea otters. Where do you think they are?
Probably in the sea.
Yeah, makes sense.
Sea otters live most of their lives in the ocean, so that's where we should look for them. And you know what that means, don't you, Sam?
Yes, but I don't like it.
Raft ride! Oh, it'll be fun! Here, help me push the raft into the water.
I better not get my fur wet.
Just hop in and grab a paddle, Sam. Well, see any sea otters?
There, over by those rocks.
Oh, I see them too. A whole raft of them. Paddle that way.
Someone must have seen him.
This never happened before.
He couldn't have gone far. He's
So
an
somebody think
excellent
it's
swimmer.
Ahoy there!
Oh, hi! Who are you guys?
I'm Agent Sam Snow, and this is Agent Kit Casey. We're from Clade, and we're here to help.
We heard there was an otter missing from your raft.
Yes! Oh, we're so glad you're here! We can't find our friend Ollie.
When was the last time you saw him?
A few hours ago, we all fell asleep together.
And when we woke up, he was gone.
That doesn't sound good. Could a wave have swept him away?
I don't think so. Ollie is an excellent swimmer. If a wave carried him away, he would have just swum back to the raft. We otters stick together to keep warm and to stay safe from predators.
Don't worry. We'll find Ollie and bring him back home safely.
Thank you so much, agents.
Come on, Sam. Let's get paddling.
We need to figure out which way Ollie went. Let's look for clues.
All I see is ocean, and more ocean. Oh.
And we won't find a trail of paw prints in the water.
So which way do we go?
how about the way we're already going? The wind is pushing our raft.
Maybe the wind pushed Ollie the same way.
Only one way to find out.
Whoa! This water is getting choppy.
Oh, and the waves are getting bigger. Oh, one almost splashed me.
Sam, stop moving around so much. You're going to
Oh, oh,
fall off the raft.
oh, kids, this water is too wet.
Good thing you're like the otters. An excellent swimmer.
Just help me back on board.
Okay. Here you go, buddy.
Thanks. Now let's get out of these choppy waters. It's calmer near the shore. Come on.
Land ho! Let's get this raft out of the water and onto the beach.
Sweet, sweet land. And now, let's see if we can find some clues, like paw prints or fur samples.
I don't see anything in the sand. But I do hear a seagull. Maybe she's seen Ollie.
Oh, there's one. Nope. Empty again. Oh, this is ridiculous.
Hi there. We're from Clade. Is everything okay?
Fine. I'm just frustrated. This part of the coast always has the best clams. But look.
All the clamshells are empty.
Yep. Someone got here before me and ate them all.
Someone like an otter? Sea otters love to eat shellfish like clams. Have you seen any otters around?
Not today, but there's a sea cave not too far from here. You can only get there from the water. I've seen an otter swim in there sometimes.
Thanks for the tip. Come on, Sam. We'd better paddle out and check out that sea cave.
Back to the raft. This is where the seagull told us to go.
I see a big rocky cliff, but I don't see a sea cave. Where's the entrance?
Kid, listen. That must be the sound of wind blowing out of the cave. Right over there.
Come on, let's paddle inside.
This cave is so quiet and calm.
And echoey. Hello?
Still no sign of any sea otters, though.
What's that clacking sound?
I'm not sure, but it seems to be coming from deeper inside the cave. This way.
The clacking is getting clearer.
It's coming from right over...
There! Sam, look!
Ollie?
Hiya! How'd you know my name?
We're from Clade, and we've been looking all over for you.
The other sea otters woke up and didn't know where you were. They've been really worried.
I didn't mean to worry anybody. I was feeling snacky when I woke up, so I swam close to shore to eat some clams. And then I thought everyone else would want some, so I swam in here to find more. This cave is full of clams. Hey, I was gonna head back after cracking them all open, but there are too many to bring back on my own.
Of course! That explains the clacking noise. Sea otters bang clams against rocks to open them.
We sure do.
Ollie, we can help you bring those clams back if you'd like.
Thanks. I'll put them right here in your raft.
Do you want to ride with us too?
Nah, I'll swim alongside. Not to brag, but I'm an excellent swimmer. Come on, the cave exit's this way.
Back on the open ocean.
I'm beginning to see why you like it out here, Kit.
Look! It's the seagull!
Wow! Check out all those clams! Oh, you hit the mother lode!
Help yourself! It's the least I can do. I kinda ate up all the clams by the beach.
Here! Catch!
Huh? Oh, thanks!
Kit, Ollie, look! Sea otters straight ahead!
Hey, guys! I'm back!
Ollie, you're okay.
I'm sorry I had you so worried, but look what I brought back! Clams!
Dig in!
Thanks for the clams, Ollie. And thanks for finding him, agents.
Happy to help. See ya, sea otters!
Thanks for all the clams.
So appreciate Back on shore.
Just in time for sunset. Well, Kit, that's another creature case closed.
Now we can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the beach.
Sounds good to me.